सो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म क्वांटाइजेशन नाम से ही पता चल रहा है आपका कि इसमें जो स्टेप साइज होगा वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म होगा, मींस स्टेप साइज सेम नहीं होगा. सो अ क्वांटाइजर दैट हैज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म इंटरवल्स इज कॉल्ड a non-uniform quantizer, and step size which are represented in quantizations by delta are not equal. So the intervals in non-uniform quantizations are not equal. जैसा कि आप लोग गिवन फिगर में देख सकते हैं कि this one is the input steps like as the B1, this one is a B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. So the steps are not equal. The size of B1 to B2 is differ from B2 to B3, and this one is also differ from B3 to B4. Or you can say that the output size, this one y1 to y2 and the size of y2 to y3, ये दोनों अलग अलग है, डिफर है, कोई यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है, सिमिलरिटी नहीं है. Again the size of y2 to y3 is not equal to y3 to y4. So this is called non-uniform quantizations. And here one thing you notice that the interval closer to zero are smaller. The interval closer to zero, this one is a central point, so this one is a zero. So interval near to zero, like as a this one कि B3 से B1 जा रहा है, so this interval will be zero or smaller. और B4 से B5 पे जा रहा है, and then this interval will be smaller. So notice that the interval closer to zero are smaller. Hence the maximum value that the quantizer error can take on is also smaller. एक बात ध्यान में रखिएगा कि जितनी भी हम रेंज लेते हैं, अगर रेंज मैं छोटा लेता हूं या कम साइज का लेता हूं, देन एरर के चांस हमारे पास कम होते हैं. और अगर मैं जितना ही स्टेप साइज लूंगा, जितना बड़ा लूंगा या रेंज जितना ज्यादा लूंगा, उतना एरर की प्रोबेबिलिटी हमारी बढ़ती जाती है. सो closer to zero, the probability of error is less in compared to the another range which are far away from the zero. And we pay for this improvement in accuracy at lower input level by incurring large error when the input falls in other interval or other in outer interval, like as a B6 to B7 or B2 to B1. However, as the probability of getting a smaller input value is much higher than the getting large signal values, on the average, the distortions will be lower than if we had a uniform quantizer. While a non-uniform quantizer provides lower average distortions, the design of non-uniform quantizer is also somewhat more complex. So, however, the basic idea is quite straightforward. Find the decision boundary and reconstruct level that minimize the mean squared quantization error. The practical approach of non-uniform quantizer is more complex than the uniform quantizer, because in the practical approach we have fixed a step size. तो अगर हम फिक्स कर दिए that is a step size is a 1 nanosecond या 1 millisecond, so it will be the step size for all the intervals. But in the case of non-uniform quantizations, we have varied the step size, so we provide the different step size through the user, which is a more complex task. So this is the whole thing that we have studied in the non-uniform quantization.